Hello, back again today with more 2-minute tools and tips. Today we're going to take a look at a really convenient method that I stumbled upon recently for finding out what the smallest screen width on your given device is. Now, this is really useful if you are doing some UI work and you need to change your resource configurations based on the smallest screen width. Now, this isn't always easy to calculate on your own, at least it's not for me. So this method is really useful because it allows the device to tell you what that screen width is. We're going to take a look at a developer option that shows what the smallest screen width is for the testing device that we're using. This is really useful because if we can spin up a couple emulators or we have a couple test devices available to us, we can quickly get a feel for where these different breakpoints need to be in our resource configurations, and we can more quickly make our layouts adapt to these different screen sizes.
First up, we need to create a new virtual device. We'll select any hardware profile, but then we want to make sure that we're using at least API 27 or above, because those are the only ones where this developer option is supported. Once we have the device created, we'll go ahead and launch the emulator. Once the emulator is ready, we're going to go into Settings and enable the developer options. So go to System, About Emulated Device, scroll down to Build Number, click 5 times to become a developer, and then hit back. Now we'll click the New Developer Options section, and we're going to scroll down to the Drawing section. Once we get to the Drawing section, we'll see that the final item lists out the smallest width of this device, in this case 411 dp. And just like that, we have an easy way to find the smallest width of any hardware profile that we can create an emulator for.